Hey there, in this video we're going to change just one particular color in an image rather than the whole thing. See the yellow in the glasses here and the yellow in the shoe? Ready? Hey presto, magic, the green and blue and all sorts of other cool colors. Let's go for pink. Same with this image, Chuck Taylor's, all sorts of cool colors. Okay, and it's only affecting the shoes, not the color in the background. Let's learn how to do that now in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, from the same folder that we've been using called Color, let's open up Selective Hue 1 and Selective Hue 02. Okay, and we're going to start with 01. And we're going to go, like we did before, we're going to use the Adjustments panel and we're going to go to Hue and Saturation. Now the problem though is if I use Hue, and I just want to change, say, just the shoe here. So I'm going to put it back to 0. Okay, I just want to change just this part, or just let's do the yellow. Okay, the yellow of the sunglasses and the yellow of the shoe here. But to change it, if I want to make it pink, okay, where you go. So the yellow sunglasses are now pink, which is awesome, but everything else has changed color. It's kind of cool, but it's not what we want. We want to just change the yellow. So put him back to 0. And what you do is see this thing that says master, okay? That's doing everything. What you can do is you can be selective about the colors. So you say, I want to just change yellows, please. So click on yellows and start dragging that. And voila, okay, it'll affect just the yellows. Cool, huh? Okay, so now you are going to be pink. Nice. Like always, it's an adjustment layer. I can turn it on and off. I can always go and amend it. Now there will be times where, let's say I want to change just the sunglasses yellow, but not this yellow. That's going to require us to do a selection and a mask, which is a little bit later in the course. Definitely doable, okay? But if you want to change everything that's yellow, super easy, just select it from this drop down and adjust it. I'd like you to practice with Selective Hue 2, okay? Adjust both the background color and the shoes. So reds, and this guy here, I'm giving it away, it's cyans. Okay, so do the same thing as we did earlier on. Have a practice, and I will see you in the next video.